In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and manage email campaigns in HubSpot CRM. To get started, sign in to your HubSpot CRM account. Once you're inside the platform, look to the left sidebar and click Marketing. From there, select Email to open the email marketing area, where you can create, review, and manage your campaigns. Next, click Create Email. HubSpot will ask what kind of email you want to build, and for this process, choose Regular, which is the standard option for a typical email campaign. After that, select an email template that fits your goal, or start from scratch if you want full control over the layout and design. Now enter a name for your email campaign. This name helps you stay organized inside HubSpot, so choose something clear and easy to recognize later. Once that's done, begin customizing the email content. You can add and arrange text, images, buttons, and other modules to match your message and branding. Take your time here and make sure everything is clear, visually balanced, and easy for your audience to read. After the content is in place, configure the sender information so recipients know who the email is coming from. Then enter your email subject line. Keep it concise and relevant, since this is one of the first things people will see in their inbox. Add preview text as well, which gives extra context and can improve engagement by supporting the subject line. Next, select the contact list or audience for the campaign. Make sure you're choosing the correct recipients so the message reaches the right people. Once your audience is selected, review the email settings carefully. This is a good moment to check for anything you may have missed. Then click Preview and test to see how the email will appear before it goes out. If needed, send a test email so you can review formatting, links, and overall presentation in a real inbox. When everything looks good, click Review and Send. At this point, decide whether you want to send the campaign immediately or schedule it for a later date and time. Once you've made your choice, confirm and send the email campaign. After sending, return to the email dashboard. From there, you can open any email campaign to view its performance. Pay attention to important metrics like delivery, opens, and clicks, since these help you understand how your campaign is performing. If you have draft campaigns, you can edit them whenever needed, and you can manage all existing email campaigns directly from the email dashboard. Thanks for watching.